up on the couch with it. Oh, it's so much fun. Oh my goodness, what fun. I knew that was going to go over big. Uh-oh, Nene, Nene, that wasn't nice. So I want to check it out. Jimmy, you can go back to playing with it. Look at this, it's mine. What do you think? What do you think about that? I think you guys love it. Thank you, Mama.
Oh, Francis.
We're going to hide it now. Oh, Gemma, did she take it from you? That wasn't very nice, was it?